Hey everyone, it's Phoebe, and usually on this channel when I open a toy, I do one video and we kind of move on from it, and you guys never really hear any follow-up about that toy. Today is going to be different. It has been a little over a week since I opened a full case of Cutie Tootie Surprise, which was so awesome. I loved them. As a result, I have a ton of slime here. So, I thought it would be fun if we pulled the slime back out 1 week later, sitting at room temperature to see how the slime is. So, this is a review of the slime 1 week sitting inside of the little sealed baggies that they give you. So we are going to be combining our slime. So you can see this is the putty slime, and I put it all in one bag. So we have 4 different types here. We've got this dark type, this more purpley type, this beautiful pink, and this gold. Now, first thing I have to say, this feels kind of different. It feels kind of oily almost. It's definitely harder than it was before. And the glitter is kind of falling out, actually. Let me collect that up so you can see. It is still fun to play with, though. Now, something that I didn't like about this is the glitter is actually kind of pokey. Kind of hurts your hands to play with. Especially the little moon shapes, because they're basically just like tiny little fingernail shapes. If you've ever accidentally stepped on like a toenail or like hit yourself with a nail before, you know that it can be kind of painful, and that's honestly like what it reminds me of. Okay, so there is our putty slime. Pretty hard. Now, the one type of slime I didn't keep was the water slime. I hated it so much. I hated it. So I got rid of that. But we still have the other ones. Okay, this is the Bouncy slime. This one was the most, like, traditional slime. Also, I feel like this one's the most similar to the Poopsie slime that you can make yourself. So we have a green, a gold, and a red in here. This slime is still really awesome. It kind of looks like Christmas colors. It was pretty hard to begin with. As you saw, we get that breakage, but still really fun to play with. And it's beautifully glittery. Now, you guys always tell me that I play with slime wrong. I'm sorry, I don't know how to play with slime. But I just like to touch it. Oh no, I'm getting some of those glitters in there. It does that thing. People like that. That, like, farting noise. Okay, so this slime held up pretty well. It was labeled the Bouncy slime, so let's go ahead and see if it'll bounce. It does. Now, the other type of slime that they had that was super awesome was crunchy. I will say the crunchy slime was pretty hard. So obviously we have a red, green, and pink, and I'm just going to combine them all. Listen to that, guys. There isn't, like, it's mostly crunch, so there's not, like, as much slime as there should be. I wonder what would happen if I tried combining them. This needs more like actual slime. I know what we should do. We should make a Poopsie slime and add this crunchy slime to it. Let's do that. Okay, and then last, we'll just review this first. This is the marshmallow slime. So we have a purple, a pinky purple, and a blue. And it is kind of sticky, but still really fun to play with. So the only slime that I think really changed a lot is the putty slime is super hard now. And you just dab on poop and it all comes off. You see that, guys? Isn't that cool? And that's how you can get more glitter on your slime. Okay, I'm gonna grab a Poopsie. Okay, so we've got two Poopsie slime surprises here. One from Wave 1, one from Wave 2. So let's open these up and add them to our slime. Okay, we have our unicorn food. This is our slime packet, essentially. Oh, I need to put the crunchy slime back there, and then the bouncy slime. Okay, we have our unicorn magic. Next we have our scent. Sometimes it's a bad one. Sometimes it is not good. So hopefully we get something pleasant like pineapple would be great. Our magic spoon. Or lift, or I don't know. It's been a while. So this is the Wave 1. Bum ba da dum bum 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 bum. Oh my goodness, there's a little cow. I want the cow. Aw, Dunkin' Donuts. Cute. Okay, well, let's see. Oh, there's another cow. Let's open this up. That is not a cow. That is a little bear. It's very cute. We got this to make our slime. Juicy poops. That's so cute. So this is our little slime container. Hey. 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 Excuse me. There we go. Okay, okay. We will make both of our slimes at the same time. We have Tootie Bear. Cute. Alright. Next, we have, this is Wave 2. I really like these toys. I think they're super funny. I especially loved the Cutie Tooties. I thought they were adorable. They're one of my favorite things I've opened in a long time. Okay, unicorn food. Unicorn magic. And our scent. Suspicious. And lastly, we have our magic spoon. Oh, this one's gold. Okay, who do we have in here? Ooh, we got something extra. Unicorn sparkle. Ooh. I'm gonna need the instructions. Whoa! That is one glitzy, glammy poop. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Cool. 24 karat poop. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. I got number 36 nugget. Fart Jacobs. Cute. She came with a little perfume bottle. That's so cool. Look at her little slime container. Oh, it's so cute. Fart Jacobs. All right. That is awesome. And her little cup is white. Okay, guys, remember, we're making slime so that we can add it to this crunchy slime. So I am going to make our slimes, and then we will be right back. Alright, I am back. So let's check out what we made. First we made some Fart Jacobs. Also, I smelled the scents. I did not like either of them. The mystery scent for this one kind of smelled like a perfume. Pretty appropriate. And the other one kind of smelled like a fruity scent that I couldn't quite... Oh my gosh, look at that! It's perfect! It's so perfect! Oh my. Okay. Oh, here is our sparkle. Just go ahead and dump it out. And put this back there. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. It's pretty fun to play with. And now it is all over me, and I'm gonna regret this. Okay. Let's check out our other unicorn. Poop. Because that is what we're making here. Okay, come on. Whoa. Yeah, this turned out pretty well too. I like when it's not super sticky. If you guys remember that about me, give yourself a pat on the back. So this reminds me of the Bouncy slime that we got with the Poopsie Cuties, but it's not like 100% the same. It's pretty similar though. It does pick up the hearts pretty well. It is also bouncy. Okay then. Well, let's take our crunchy slime here. So if you guys know how crunchy slime works, basically like what happens is the slime picks up the little beads, and like that's just like that's how it becomes crunchy. So I'm gonna try and mix this together. So far, it's not mixing very well at all. It really doesn't seem to want to unchunkify. We still have these huge chunks. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna try adding this in. This is our bouncy slime.
This is some really strong, crunchy slime. Look at that.
Alright, well, it took a little while to do, but we did actually end up getting it combined pretty well here at the end. I'm pretty pleased with this. So that is it for our slime experiment. That is what the Poopsie slime is like 1 week later. This has been so much fun. I have been really enjoying the Poopsie products. I thought when they came out that they were so weird, but they really grew on me, and the slime is just so fun to play with. If you guys want me to do more videos where I combine different types of slimes, please let me know in the comments. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!